Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In the class today, we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter W, and the sound of W is watch. I just saw it now. Okay, we taught to the students how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. At home, how could you teach? Take a watch. You could take a wristwatch. Keep it on the table. You could take a glass of water as well. Yes, like this. Keep it on the table, wristwatch and a glass of water. So let's start. How to write uppercase and lowercase letter W, pronunciation of its sound and vocabulary words. Okay, are you ready? Start from the first line. Come straight down, go slant up, come slant down, go straight up. It will make capital W. Start from second line. Come straight down, go slant up, come slant down, go straight up. It will make small w, capital W, small w, and the sound of W is watch. It's wristwatch. Water. Window. Watermelon. Windmill. And well. After teaching these two vocabulary words, you will teach vocabulary words from this image. Okay? Oh my God, wait patiently. It's very harder to wait for your turn, but always wait patiently for your turn. After that, they will visualize the story. I hope so. You understood how you have to teach your kids at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.